Good morning, one and all. This is Divyang here to present you an AAT concept video on subject probability and statistics. I am from the branch Aeronautical Engineering, Section A, roll number 2095182115. My topic is normal distribution and its variance. What is normal distribution? Before exploring the complicated standard normal distribution, we must examine how concept of probability distribution changes when the random variable is continuous. A probability distribution will have a value of p of x equals to p of x equals to x. To each possible outcome of x, the values of probability distribution, we need two things to happen. Sigma p of x equals to p of x equals to x, 0 less than p of x less than or equals to 1. 0 less than or equals to p of x less than or equals to 1. For a continuous random variable, the probability distribution must be what is called a density curve, which means area under the curve is 1, 0 is less than or equals to p of x for all outcomes of x. The normal distribution. Suppose the temperature of a piece of metal is always been 0 degree Fahrenheit and 10 degree Fahrenheit. Furthermore, suppose that it is equally likely to be at any temperature in that range, then the graph of probability distribution for the value of the temperature would look like one given below. Here is the area equals to 4, probability 4 into 0.1 equals to 0.4. The 2, 3, 5 are the further representative values. Illustration of fundamental factor of density. This is an uniform distribution where p of x is greater than 2, the purple line indicates. P of x is less than 5 is indicated by the blue line. P of x lies between 3 and 7 is indicated by the green line. So for 7 minus 3 equals to 4, 4 into 0.1 is the density, gives the probability function. The normal distribution, definition of the terms and the symbols used. Normal distribution, a continuous variable x having the symmetrical bell-shaped distribution is called as normal random variable. The normal probability distribution, Gauss distribution, is a continuous distribution which is regarded by many as the most significant probability distribution in statistics, particularly in the field of statistical interference. Symbol used Z minus Z scores are for standard scores, the table that transforms every normal distribution to a normal distribution, which means 0 and standard deviation 1. This distribution is called the standard normal distribution or simply standard distribution, and the individual values are called standard scores or the Z scores. Mu, the Greek letter mu, which means mean. Sigma, the Greek letter which means standard deviation. The normal distribution terms and symbols used. The normal distribution graphically can be represented as normal distribution is symmetrical, two halves are identical, tail and the middle most part is median, mean and the mode are equal. Theoretical curve extends to minus infinity to plus infinity. The area under the curve, p of x less than x1, p of x1 less than x2, p of x greater than x2. Represents the following areas. The area under the curve, let us consider variable x which is normally distributed with a mean of 100 and a standard deviation of 10. We assume that among the values of the variable are x1 equals to 110 and x2 equals to 85. Therefore, z1 equals to 110 minus 100 by 10 equals to 1. z2 equals to 85 minus 100 by 10 equals to 1.50. Therefore, the ranges values of x1, z1 and z2 are given. 0.4332 and 0.754 and 0.3451 are some of the values of x1, x2. The standard normal probability distribution. The standard normal distribution is the distribution with a mean of 0 and standard deviation of 1. It is also called as Z distribution. The Z value is the distance between a selected value designated x and the population mean mu divided by the standard deviation sigma. The formula is Z equals to x minus mu by sigma. Areas under the normal curve. Here z is 1.5 for values of z 1.5. The area under the curve between 0 is 0.4322. The total area is. This table is actually referred to get the area under the curve. How to find areas under the normal curve? ZB is the standard random variable. P stands for probability. Phi of Z indicates the area covered under the normal curve. These are the following tabular values we get. This shaded area from z equals to minus 1.5 until z equals to 0.5 represents the probability of 0.417. Therefore, for finding area, we need pi of minus 1.5 minus pi of 0.5. Indicates if we look at the values of 1.5, it is 0.4332. 0.4332 minus 0.5 value is 0.191 equals to 0.241 is the probability required. How to find areas under the normal curve? P of z is greater than 0.2 equals to 0.5 minus phi of 0.2. Since 2.0 is the highest probability density, therefore the greater than values are taken, and we know that probability lies between 0 to 1. Therefore, from minus 2 to 2, the minus 2 to 0 is the minus is 0.1 0.5 and 0 to 2 is the 0.5 again 0.5 again. How to find areas under the normal curve? Finding the unknown z represented by the z0. How to find z in case of z0 is given? These are mnemonics and 0 less than or equals to z less than equals to z0 pi of z0 minus z0 less than equals to z less than equals to 0 pi of z0 z1 less than equals to z less than z2 pi of z2 minus pi of z1 minus z1 less than equals to z less than z2 pi of z1 plus pi of z2 minus z1 less than equals to z less than minus z2 pi of z1 minus pi of z2 z less than equals to z0 0.5 minus pi of z0 z less than z0 0.5 plus pi of z0 z less than minus z0 0.5 minus pi of z0 z greater than minus z0 0.5 plus z0. Thank you.